AIBTM, India's premier institute for bakery and food technology, presents a comprehensive program on industrial biscuit production. Learn the science behind ingredients and their transformative impact on large-scale manufacturing. Key ingredients: you'll master enzymes, optimize dough performance, enhance softness, and increase product shelf life for industrial demands. Emulsifiers improve dough stability, ensure even mixing, and enable seamless high-speed production. Fats deliver the signature crunch, texture, and flavor that Indian consumers expect. Perfect sweetness levels while ensuring consistent baking performance. Choose the ideal base for diverse biscuit types. What the course covers: ingredient selection and formulation for industrial-scale biscuits, process optimization, from dough preparation to baking and packaging, hands-on understanding of industrial systems and their maintenance. Date: December 20th to 21st, 2024. Location: Hyderabad, Telangana. Register now, insert link.